Hi, evening. So now we're on the final stage. As promised, this is the final video where we can see the 5 Zords, the colossal 5-in-1 combined Zords. As promised, we will assemble it, become one big Megazord. First, we get the right leg of the Zords, the Mastodon. Okay. The person is sitting down here. Okay. The head. It's kind of takes time. Thank you. So there you are.
Go with.
Pull off.
I will help you. I want to help you.
I get my little assistant here, my son ALFI. So what we do is,
I'm really flying the blanket.
this is the feet part. ALFI, sit down. Okay.
Wait, I'm not yet.
Now we need the head. And we need the feet cover, sorry.
Ah.
That's it for the right feet. So next will be the left feet.
I want to. I'm gonna Godzilla. Oh.
This is the feet.
Get my mic.
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Mine come. No.
Okay, you help Papa. Help Papa.
There we go.
This is the
I
head.
think what Edison is doing. I want to pin.
Hold on.
Like a pin.
To take out this first. This is the
Wait, I want to pin.
head area.
I can't pin.
And the feet is over here. As you can see, it's kind
Open
of
it. Yeah.
cheap matte plastic.
Yeah, I
over
want
here.
to look at
It's kind of
that. Oh! You want some? You want some? Some?
Look at those. The left feet. Alright. Woo!
Okay,
So
that's
tall.
cool. I want
So
to
this is the saber tooth.
yellow, a little bit. And put the
You open the arms. Slide in the head of the saber tooth, and it seems that this way. Slide it in. Same do with the Mastodon.
Oh, Chevy.
So that's it.
Give me a piece.
So the T-Rex. This is the main part.
Another gun.
Pull off
Wait,
everything.
another gun. Whoa.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Whoa.
Okay. This is the body part.
On the body.
Hold on,
On
hold
the
on.
body. And the gun. Okay.
So you see the head over there?
Whoa.
Swing it.
Whoa.
So this is the head of the Megazord.
Yeah. The
Left arm.
all the gun.
Okay. Right arms. This is the T-Rex head. Then you can assemble here. As you can see, there's a slide in.
How about you remember the purple
Okay.
one? There you go. No?
Hold on.
No? Okay.
Slide in.
That's right. This one, and the
Okay.
gun.
There's a clip over here. Right and the left.
Right here.
See, my assistant are very helpful.
This one. Right there.
Where's the pterodactyl?
Pterodactyl. Right there.
Give it to me. No, no, pterodactyl.
I'm gonna pterodactyl. See? Nina.
Okay. This is for the wings. Okay. That's the super gun.
This one are there. Whee.
Okay, it's a,
Well, I gotta get the gun. Mommy.
okay. So for that.
Mommy. Oh. My God.
So this is the right wings.
Ah!
As you can see, it's kind of complicated, but it's okay.
Next one.
This is the
Yeah,
other parts of the wings. So this is for the head. Okay. So now we have
And go tip me.
measles
Go
here
one more
and
time.
here.
And here.
Okay. Yes. That's a good boy. So there's another. Don't forget this, guys. This is the second sword,
Toys.
and this is the first sword. So
Next
that's
one,
it, guys.
Open
As you
it,
can see.
open it, and then-
Yeah, you can put all the 2-inch figure inside, whichever color you want to put in. But this is it, guys. It stands for 2 feet tall.
Ah,
Maybe here should be blue, right?
The blue.
There is black.
I got the blue.
Yellow is
What?
in the tummy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, the feet are the shabby.
Change
Wait,
it.
I need the yellow.
Put the
Yellow
blue
is
I
inside.
think it's the yellow.
Okay, the yellow is sitting down there.
Ah!
The
Oh,
pink is the
black.
sword, I guess.
Black, the red here. And ah! And the
Black.
Ah! Ah! Okay, red.
Then the red is
Right there.
good.
Oh, right there.
Alright, so there you are. The 5-in-1 combined Megazord stands for 2 feet tall.
Whoa.
And as you can see, it's quite huge.
Like the feet. Oh, you need God. Oh, you need.
So guys, this is our final assemble for the Megazord. Hope you like it. Hope satisfied with our complicated assemble. Alfie, do you like it? Say yes to Power Ranger. Yes. Say, if you watch this video, please like and subscribe and share the video to other views. Have a pleasant evening. Go Power Ranger.